What do you need to know about long-term care insurance? Is the cost of long-term care insurance worth it? That is the subject of this video. Hello and welcome to another episode of the Financial Fast Lane. My name is Lane Martinsen. I am the author of the Holistic Retirement Planning Revolution, and I am the president of Martinsen Wealth Management. And today we are talking specifically about long-term care. Is long-term care insurance worth it? I can tell you that I am on a mission to help the 78 million baby boomers, one, to never run out of money, two, to actually enjoy their retirement years. One of the financial threats that you face is an unplanned long-term care event. You've probably heard some of the heartbreaking stories, and maybe even experienced with your own parents, because of the high cost of long-term care. The key is to have a good plan. In fact, in my book, I compare a typical plan, which is usually an incomplete plan, with a more holistic or comprehensive plan. So what is your plan? I sometimes brag to my clients that I never have to go to a nursing home. The nurse has to come to me. I get to stay in my house until the day I die. Why? Because I have a plan. I have a type of long-term care insurance that includes home health care. So I get to stay in my house until the day I die. Some people say, yeah, but Lane, I don't want that nursing home insurance. And I say, exactly. What I have is anti-nursing home insurance. This is stay-at-home insurance. This is stay-in-control insurance. When people say, yeah, but Lane, that long-term care insurance is expensive. And I say, well, if you're referring to traditional long-term care insurance, I would tend to agree with you. Traditional long-term care insurance is better than no long-term care insurance, but it's a use it and lose it deal. You pay for premiums for something that you hope you never have to use. And then I ask if they are aware of the newer asset-based hybrid long-term care solutions that are available today. Did you know that there are long-term care solutions, policies that are available today that if you do not end up needing the long-term care, you or your family can actually get all of the money back? It really is a game changer. It's very innovative. We don't like to think about it, but as we age, we become increasingly frail. And about 70% of us will ultimately need some form of long-term care for physical reasons or cognitive reasons. Ignoring the risks and the consequences to you and your family can be financially devastating. The key is you've got to have a plan. The odds of your house burning down between now and the day you die is about 3 out of 100. And yet you all have homeowners insurance. The odds of totaling your car are about 18 out of 100. And yet you all have auto insurance. The odds of needing long-term care are about 70 out of 100, and yet many people have no plan. Any plan is better than no plan. So I hope that you found this educational and motivational. You should work with your financial professional to find the perfect plan for you. I hope that you will share and like if you found this valuable, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode.